Hi everyone. So I think a few of you would like a refresher course on how to exactly make a chart, specifically a bar graph chart, but you can obviously make a line graph or a pie chart using Google Sheets. Now I know there are plenty of websites out there that you can go ahead and make column charts and things like that. However, I'm going to say for this assignment, practice using Google Sheets because Google Sheets, I'm going to tell you, is the easiest way to do it. So what I have in front of you is just an example of my own stuff. So I have a bunch of numbers in here. I'm going to say, okay, here's, we collected a bunch of data over 6 days. Now, this is a hypothetical situation, hypothetical data, just to show you how to make a chart. Now, hypothetical data, we were watching bacteria grow over 6 days. So here's my 6 days, and here is my amount of growth. What you need to do first in order to make sure that you actually make a chart and actually create it correctly, you want to go ahead and click and drag. So if you go ahead, you want to click and drag it so that everything's kind of highlighted in blue like you see here. Now, if you end up doing this, I'm not even sure if I can do it. If you end up using the corner, you're going to find that all it's going to do is just copy it into different sections. So you want to click and drag it. Then you're going to go to the insert button right at the top. It's going to be between view and format. You're going to go all the way down until you see the word chart. Okay, so as you can see, it does take a second. So don't be freaking out and pressing a bunch of buttons if it doesn't come up all like automatically. Make sure that you give it a second. And here we go. Now we have our column chart. Here's the thing about these charts. I want you to make sure they have a title, and you need to label your axes. To do that, you go to Customize. When it eventually clicks on it. There we go. You're going to go to this spot that says Chart and Axes Titles. Here we have chart title. So my chart title for this is going to be bacteria growth over 6 days. There you go. Shows right up. Same thing. You change this to give our horizontal, and here's our horizontal. So your horizontal is your x-axis, remember that. This is going to be days. And then we're going to do our vertical data, which is going to be growth of bacteria. Now, every single time you make a chart, Google Sheets automatically puts a little key in the spot. However, for this situation, we don't need a key. So all you have to do is click on it. It's going to bring you to Legend, and you're going to click None. Now, the coolest part about this is that with Google Sheets, it's compatible with Google Docs. That means you can right-click your chart. Not edit. So you're going to go ahead and click on the three, I guess we'll call them dots, copy chart, and that will let you copy so that you can put it into any document. So there's your refresher course. If you have any questions, please come see me during study hall or after school, and feel free to watch this again, pause it, anything like that. So thank you guys for watching, and again, be good, be kind, and I'll see you soon.